Silver clouds drift over fields of gold. Prairie rivers whisper stories old. High above the summer wheat below, the Argyle Dragon watches storms that grow. Fireflies awaken in the evening light, painting little constellations through the night. Far beyond the forest calm and wide, thunder sleeps beneath the western sky, and the wind begins to sing across the lakes and evergreen. Every cloud a page to read, every breeze a prophecy. Oh, SkyCam in the northern air, watching summer everywhere. Golden sunsets rain and shine, tracing every weather sign. When the distant thunder calls and the silver curtain falls, we are watching calm and bright through the long midsummer night. Towering castles made of cloud and rain, rolling slowly across the open plain. Purple shadows dancing through the corn, lightning sketches pictures yet unborn. Dragon eyes above the countryside, following the currents as they glide. Every storm a story in the blue, every sunrise painted fresh and new. Softer auras fading into dawn, morning dew upon the meadow lawn. After every storm, the sky reveals 1,000 colors turning over fields. Above the plains, skies that never stay the same. High above the field so wide,